Welcome back to Brad and Mark's RC Garage, and today we have got the Vifly X150 new racing drone from Vifly. So anyway, it's been a bit of a long time coming, but finally it arrived. So I've already bound it up to the DX6 and done all the beta flight stuff, set an arm switch and, well, modes, but I'm only flying acro anyway, but if anyone else wants to fly it, I suppose we can have some mode switches on there. It's a bit of a quick run over of the specs. I won't go into too much detail, but basically we're sitting on a F4 flight controller. Everything's running off that, and then we've got a BL Heli 4-in-1 ESC, which is 20 amps. VTX wise is a switchable 25, 200 or 600 milliwatt. And then the camera is a Foxy Micro Arrow V2, I believe. So if you've used those before, they're pretty good OSD, etc. on them. I've actually got one that I fitted in my Blade Torrent, which is working out really well. And obviously this is, as I said, the DSMX version, because I've bound it to my DX6 right there. Props that it comes with, a couple of sets, Dell Cyclone, and they're 4045s, and motors spinning those are 1406 3300 kV. And the only things I've done really, I've chucked the Amway antenna on there because I just had a spare one and it kind of looks good with the blue props. And if I just spin her around, you can see we've put it, if the camera will focus there, got an XT60 connector, purely because the batteries I'm using are XT60. Only reason. And battery wise, I'm going to start off with a 750 milliamp 65C graphene, and then I'll try the Tattoo 850 milliamp 4S, which I'm pretty sure they're 100C actually, so hopefully they're not too heavy, but I guess there's one way to find out. But that's pretty much it. Included in the box you do get a manual, the extra set of props, a wrench for taking the props off. I think that's about it. I think that's all you get. And I've actually gone another thing, I've actually put another battery strap on there. I just felt that the one that was on it, I mean probably for 3S be alright, but when I tried to put that round one of the tattoos and I was just trying to see if it fitted before, it was a little bit short. So I've gone ahead and put one of those immersion ones on there. But apart from that, very, very good. Well built. Looks great. Can't wait to fly it. So let's go and fly it.